The job of cloud engineer is a creative one, and in creativity, there are a lot of times when you get stuck. If you're feeling stuck, then one of the foremost suggestion I'll give you is to start walking. And I'm not asking you to do the brisk walk or some sort of power walk or anything like that. Just simple casual walk around the block, maybe for 20-30 minutes, and that's about it. And make it a habit every day, and you will feel a lot better. Other than that, as you can see on your screen, there are few tips according to your stuck mode. For instance, if you're feeling tired, maybe yes, yeah, take a nap, yeah. And then if you're feeling sad, listen to your favorite music. And if you cannot focus and your mind is distracted and running in every direction, then maybe go and just unplug all the devices, your phone, stop checking your emails, your social media, and you should start feeling better. Do light exercises if you're really feeling mad at anything. Read any fiction or non-fiction, non-technical book if you're feeling burnt out in your job as a cloud engineer. If you're feeling anxious, just take some deep breaths, meditate, or pray or something like that. Yeah. And well, it depends what sort of pray. You can replace it with meditate if you're feeling lost. And taking short breaks always help for a snack or for a coffee or for a tea. Also, if you're into yoga, then physical restlessness, or yoga also helps out with that. And deep breaths always help if you're nervous, anxious, angry, sad. Deep breaths always help out and doesn't take long for you to start feeling better. Also, what has helped me is to set small goals, achievable goals that not only get you back on track but also make you motivated. I hope this short little video would help you out. If you have any feedback, then please put them in the comment section. Thank you.